this as good as it looks, man. Come on, drag week racers. These guys are all business. What you're about to see deserves a shoot. You might see a shoot being pulled. Tom Bailey's taking the gear bender's lane. He's in the left lane. He gets choice.
Went to 100.
Here's Steve going. He's going to pull this out. We saw a shoot come out of him later earlier tonight. I think the javelin had a shoot pull. So we'll see as we go. The track goes up and a little bit to the left, of course. Bailey's got more of a straight run gear bender lane. So the AMX, the javelin's going to have to take a little turn to the left. And at those speeds, it gets a little scary, but we're going to see Bailey do this all 4 times. Watch closely. Now, if you can get pictures of this, make sure you tag the Roadkill. Put them up on Instagram, put them on Facebook, put them up on Twitter, tag them up, Roadkill, so they know you were there. Here it comes. Pro Tree's going to come alive as we stage here.